We like to investigate other disciplines.
It's not only about recycling materials, but also recycling working hands, bringing old traditions that are almost disappearing.
Since the beginning we started with this, so whenever we start to getting so far from this, I want to go back to maintain the roots. This chair was born accidentally. We had another function for it. It was supposed to be made in leather, cushions of leather. Then didn't went well. We gave up the project. And one day there was a weaving guy in the studio, and we asked him, why not weave this?
It was inspired in tennis racket, also in the old tradition of Austrian weaving. Instead of weaving with straw, we weave it with nylon strings.
So we moved to this, we decided to go deeper in this concept and mixing nylon with brass, because nobody works in this. One thing that we definitely want to work with this sofa is to use people's NGOs' hands, to work with local artisans in order to help them kind of social ecology.
We gave them the alligators and they reproduce the same way as the plush alligators. They make also other pieces for us, like chairs, in this same process.
We want them to interpret this, to give their vision a little more freedom to them to create. Since we began, Brazil has changed quite a lot, because people today has a better understanding, especially the students of design, is not get stuck just in the Bauhaus, in the modernism. Nearby our studio, there is a wholesaler of Brazilian crystals. We always want to work with this, to bring this Brazilian very strong element in our design.
And we decided to make blades with stones, like screens, and glued with the amethysts on it.
Like a crystal mine. We want to give this impression that people is getting inside of a crystal mine, to see just the crystals floating in the air. For this show, we saw many people. Some are weaving, there is a lady sewing, another guy welding. So it's very alive, very vibrant. I think what maintains my life alive, myself alive, is to look for materials.